Weatherland. Here's Rob's forecast.
Welcome back. Well, probably before you wake up, or most people wake up, we're going to see showers and storms moving into the area. They'll be moving out pretty quickly. I think we're going to be in pretty good shape for Thursday afternoon and evening. So that is the good news. The bad news is stormy weather on the way for sure. So let's take a look at the big picture. And most of the storms this evening concentrated across Texas, associated with an upper level low. It's also generating a surface low across Texas. And that is producing the threat of severe weather, where we have severe thunderstorm watches back across the Texas Hill Country. They're on the lookout for the possibility of hail. And as we mentioned, a tornado watch in effect for eastern Texas into extreme western Louisiana. That's through 1 o'clock in the morning. Does include Rapides, Beauregard parishes, and Vernon parishes rather on northward, and the counties back into Texas. You can see severe thunderstorm warnings and also flood warnings back between Waco and College Station as we take a look at this thunderstorm cluster right here between Lufkin and College Station. It has been intense, and we'll keep an eye on these supercell storms. Tend to keep their act together. This is heading mainly toward western Louisiana, central Louisiana as we head into the wee morning hours, but just north of Huntsville and near the Crockett area, these storms producing large hail. Check out our hail tracks here and look at this. We're getting into shades of red. That's close to 2.5 inch size hail. That's bigger than just about baseball size hail. So some big hail falling in portions of Texas. I'm not expecting that here, but we are hatched in for a low end risk of severe storms. Farther north and east, it's been a rainy night from Natchitoches on up through Shreveport, but no severe weather. Some thunder between Gina and the Monroe area, but all in all relatively quiet there, and even quieter across Acadiana. We are spying on a few showers across western portions of the area from western Allen Parish into the extreme northeastern portion of Jeff Davis Parish, just southwest of the Basile area, and then some shower activity now moving on the other side of the Mississippi River north and east of Point Coupee Parish. Should be relatively quiet, but by 3 or 4 o'clock in the morning, that's going to change. So here's the severe weather risk through the overnight hours, through daybreak tomorrow, through 7 a.m., and we're hatched in for a slight risk of severe storms, and that's how we start out tomorrow morning, but by the afternoon, things will quiet down, but we'll be on the lookout for storms that could be capable of producing damaging winds and hail. Isolated tornado perhaps, but this looks like more of a damaging wind type of scenario. If that, I think we see some strong winds and certainly some locally heavy downpours and a lot of cloud-to-ground lightning. And the latest HRRR model showing some organization here. This looks like a little bit of a mesoconvective complex, maybe something that could rotate, that could produce damaging winds or hail, and that rolls through the northern portions of Acadiana. And I would look for perhaps a tornado watch or a severe thunderstorm watch, more likely a tornado watch for portions of the area to be issued probably after midnight tonight, closer to 1, 2 o'clock in the morning. We'll see how that plays out. Those storms pushing on. Here's 4 o'clock in the morning, 4 or 5 o'clock in the morning, 6 o'clock in the morning. It's going to be rough and tumble weather, but maybe in time for school bus time or drive to work or so, things might quiet down. We might get a little bit of a break, but then we have the upper level system that'll be pushing on through, and that should bring another round of some rain through the area through mid tomorrow afternoon. And then after that, it looks like relatively smooth sailing. We head into tomorrow evening. We have cloud cover, maybe a sprinkle or two, but looks good for all the musical acts going for Festival tomorrow evening. And then Friday, looking fantastic. Lots of sunshine, temperatures in the mid 70s. But as we advance in the Euro model, here's your Friday looking good. Saturday, we have plenty of clouds moving in. A lot of rain and storms offshore. Question is how much will build inland. And the latest model run indicating pretty good chances of rain, although maybe not as high as this looks. Those rains moving out first thing Sunday morning, and then Sunday is going to be looking good. As for rainfall, we'll stay 1 to 2 inches, especially along and north of the I-10 corridor will be possible. South of the I-10 corridor, a ½ inch to an inch of rain, more than likely, not as much, and not concerned with flooding at this point. 69 the low, so it's going to be a mild night. Rain chances ramping up to 80 to 90% as we get to 4, 5, 6 o'clock in the morning, and we start out the day tomorrow on a stormy no for sure. 90% on your rain chances early in the day, but getting drier into the afternoon. After those mid-afternoon showers move on by, we might even see a little sunshine tomorrow afternoon. So temperatures holding in the 80s for highs, a little bit cooler as we head into tomorrow night, Friday morning. And again, Saturday's still iffy, but if you've been watching, I had 60% on the rain chances for Saturday. now it's 50%, but it could go to 60% Saturday night. Maybe if we're lucky, it's after festival Saturday night and then Sunday morning.
Okay.
Fingers crossed.
Fingers crossed.
I'm working on it.
All right,
Alrighty,
thanks,
thank you, Robin.